Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here in a brand new video. This is a art video. It talks about the art that I've done on my iPad with the Procreate app. I have already covered the art I did last September. This is like basically a year in review, but I'm not doing the whole year because it would be way too long. So anyway, if you're interested in what I did last September, almost a year ago from the time I'm recording this, I covered all of these videos that you these pictures that you see right here. So now we're going to head to the hamster. And now we're into October of last year. So the hamster was the first thing that I did. And this was either Tadyworks or Genevieve's Design Studio. I can't remember which one. But both of those ladies are very talented and they both have really great videos. If you want to follow them, if you're interested, I really highly recommend them. And I just thought that it was really cute. I have had hamsters all of my life. And I just wanted to try a more cartoony style. And I learned how to do shading on a cartoony style, and I thought that was great. And then that brings us to the Happy Thanksgiving one. This was somewhere also in October. I don't know if I signed this one. I used to sign everything so small. So yeah, I did not sign this one, but I followed a tutorial for this one. I don't remember who. But I think it came out really nice. And I thought it was really cute. It was more cutesy. And I wrote Happy Thanksgiving just writing with my Apple pen. I have an Apple pencil that you use to do all the drawing on the iPad. And if I can figure out how to record myself drawing on the iPad, I will do that. But I didn't know that there was actually text that I could have used. I could have made this much nicer. This text to put in a really nice font and written Happy Thanksgiving. But it's not a problem because all of these things are done on layers. So I can go back and I can just erase that layer and do a new layer. So that's not a problem. And I think it's really cute. And I like the fall colors. And then I did this. This was with Art with Flo as well. And she taught us how to animate this rocket. And if I put it on repeat, it will show you what the animation, like on the iPad, the animation just keeps looping around. But it doesn't do that. I'm on my computer right now. And because Mr. Captain Kirk had recently gone up in that rocket, I just got a picture of him and I cut it to size and I made it all a blue background and I put him in the window. And I thought that was cute. And I did this on October 13th of last year. And this is still one of my favorite animations. I just think it is adorable. I just really do like this one. And I like that I put Captain Kirk in the window. I think it's just so funny. And now we're getting closer to Halloween. So I believe this was an art with flow tutorial that I followed. And this just is so cute. I mean, I do love this style. This reminds me of Scooby-Doo. Don't you expect to see Scooby-Doo in the van driving up to this mansion? And this would be brilliant. Like, I wish I had the brain to come up with these kind of things. I don't have that yet, you guys. I can do a few things on my own, but not really. I need to see reference photos. I can't do anything just out of my head yet. I don't have that. I can try, but it never comes out that great. And you'll see eventually when I start trying on my own. But a lot of the things I did on my own, I just looked at a photo that I took and then tried to do it based on a photo that I took. But this with Art with Flow, I think it's adorable. And I love the way the glow comes through the windows. I just think it's so cute. And I didn't put the date on or my name. So, oh wow. And then there's another one. This one I followed your tutorial, but I kind of changed it up. All right. So this was either I can't remember if it was Genevieve's Design Studio or Tadyworks. And the squirrel is hers, and the nut is hers, and the tree is hers in the background. But I changed the leaves into maple leaves because I wanted a maple tree because I'm Canadian. So the leaves, she did different kinds of leaves. So I drew one of these leaves freehand, and then I basically just copied and pasted and changed the colors. And Smokey thinks that's really interesting, and she just went, "Ooh!" in the background. So yeah, I forgot. I don't know. Did I mention if you hear any weird sounds, that's my parrot talking in the background? I'm recording this at the camp, at our cottage, cabin, whatever you want to call it. I'm lying on the couch. It's super cloudy out there. There's a million mosquitoes. And yeah, so I'm just really enjoying my cozy time indoors, and I'm drinking hot chocolate and hanging out with my parrot. Very talkative sometimes. Other times she lets me talk. Any sound effects you hear, she's really big on sound effects. She can imitate anything she's ever heard. And I was talking to my uncle earlier and he was coughing and blowing his nose. So you might hear that, and I apologize in advance. So it looks like I did this on October the 19th, and I do like that style. And then I have, yeah, so this is where I am right now. And this is one of the ones I did on my own without a tutorial. So you can tell that this, because, it's not as nice as when I follow a tutorial, but I still like it. So anyway, I had taken a photo of this when I was down at the bay and I was standing on one of the green benches, and I took a photo. This is all a hill. You can't really see. I don't know if it's recording my cursor. If you can, I'm moving the cursor around on the green grass over here. All this area is a hill that slopes up to the camp, and it's flat over here, and we're just surrounded by trees. There's this one big pine tree, and it has super long branches that my dad has to cut down every year because like the branches go halfway across the property if we let it go. It's a huge tree. And then we have a bunch of like not evergreens, but like deciduous kind of bushes and trees over here. And I made this more of a fall scene. When I took the photo, it was September and the leaves were just starting to change, but I added a little bit more color and made it a little bit more fall-y than it actually was. Our camp is actually yellow, but because of the light and it was already getting dark when I took this picture, that is the color that it looks. But anyway, I made this for my dad's birthday. Um, his birthday is October the 23rd, and it took me about 3 days to work on this and to get it going to where I liked it. So, yeah, I think for something that I did myself, and like this tree actually looks like the tree out front. These bushes look like the bushes, and these trees actually look like the trees that are behind the camp. And the only thing I didn't put in is because you couldn't even see it in the picture. But in the bush back here, there's an outhouse, and then there's a long cabin-like structure that has my dad's garage where he has all his like tools and lawnmower and things like that. And then attached to it is our shower room, where we have a change room and a shower room. It's all in the bush back here where you can't see. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this came out. And while I'm out here, I plan on doing a few more scenes from the camp. I just haven't done it yet. And there's one more that I did in October. This one I did October 30th. I followed a tutorial for this one. I don't remember whether it might be art with flow. It kind of reminds me of art with flow style, but I'm not 100% sure. It might have just been something that I saw on YouTube that was cute and decided to do. I don't remember. But I still think it's adorable, and this would make a cute Halloween card. I really, really like it a lot. And that brings us to October of last year. So look how cute that crow is. And I do like the cartoony style. I like this look of it. Anyway, guys, thank you for spending time with me. I'm going to stop here. I don't want these videos to go much longer than 10 minutes. So how long it takes to get through the year up to date. All right, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Let me know which one did you like the best. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. And bye from me and bye from Smokey. Smokey, can you say bye? Bye.